What's going on, guys? Today we got my Magnaflow exhaust setup for my Duramax. It is a LBZ. Currently I have an MBRP 4-inch exhaust on it, but it does not fit good, and it actually ended up cracking at the downpipe. So picked up this 5-inch setup. It's actually brand new, haven't even opened it yet. Go ahead and open her up. This was like $4 and some change right to my door. Not too bad. Oh yeah, it's a big bitch. So yeah, there she is. I'm just gonna basically lay it out and just make sure I have everything. I believe I do. Damn, that's some big pop. Gonna want to go ahead and take your inner fender off, and this is why I'm replacing mine. As you can see, I had a tack welded before. I had to do it fucking blind because I didn't have my helmet, but it cracked right there, all along there once, and now it's all cracked on the backside, and it's just a piece of junk, and it doesn't fit well on the tranny cross member. It just sits on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that V-band out, and hopefully it's still good. So we'll see. This is why I'm pretty much replacing this. Look at that. Just broke right off. And then that's where I had to beat it in to pass the tranny cross member. But I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the new stuff in. All right, guys, so just finished up the exhaust. Pretty simple install. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up. Everything's tight. I don't think it's gonna sound too much different, but I went from the 4-inch to the 5-inch, so let's see. First try with the 5-inch. Yeah, I know, I'm out of fuel. That's where I'm going. But in cab, it sounds pretty much the same like the 4-inch. It's got a little bit of a deeper tone to it, but it definitely still has a ton of whistle. I think it sounds great. I'll get a few wide open throttle clips after I get some diesel. So we're full of diesel. This is with all the windows up. I do have a crew cab, but super quiet. Really don't notice any kind of difference compared to the 4-inch. When you get on a little bit, it definitely has a little bit of a deeper tone, like I've been saying. But so far, it sounds great. When I get on a bit of a straighter road, I'll go ahead and roll the windows down and give her some fucking corn. But overall, super impressed with how the Magnaflow fits. Great price, and yeah, couldn't be more satisfied with the kit. Got the windows down. Slow down a little bit. That sounds great.